Hello, welcome back to SpaceEngine Exploration. What episode is this? Episode 5 or something. Today we're gonna be looking at stuff, you know. But here we are at the moon, and we're gonna spend some time in our beautiful universe today. Here's the moon, you know, the moon. Everyone loves the moon. I really like the moon in SpaceEngine because it's very similar to looking at it from Earth, just with like more detail. Because a lot of stuff in SpaceEngine, well, like pretty much every single thing in SpaceEngine, you're never gonna see with your own eyes. But being able to see the moon up close like this, like something we see all the time, I think is really cool. All right, let's go. I haven't played SpaceEngine in a minute, dude. I kind of forgot how cool this game is. Like, check this out. Like, whoa, Saturn. Control G to land on planets. It didn't work. Slow X. Oh, we're on Saturn. Okay, here is Saturn with the rings. I wonder why the sky's blue, because like you can't actually stand on here, dude. It's a gas giant, and the moons too are cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave the solar system, but let's stay in the Milky Way for now. What is this really bright thing right here? White bright giant. Okay, it says bright in the name, so yeah, that's very bright. Dude. Okay, are these planets? Dude, this planet is so close. Okay, like look at that. That is way closer than like even Mercury is. Oh, I want to see this. Whoa. Okay, it's very, very bright on the surface. It looks like it's not that bright, but I guess this is like the atmosphere. But once you get down, like this is the side not facing the sun. Look how bright it is. That's like crazy. Wait, what does the surface look like? Can I? There's no way to. I'm trying to like get it so there's actual something I can see, but it looks like. Oh, maybe. There's like nothing to see. It's all completely solid. Like I can't even get it to. Oh, okay. I set my exposure to 1 and now I can't even look around. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you'd go blind here. Don't go here. Do not go here. What about this star? I wonder if we could, because like a lot of the stars you can see the surface when you get close. But it's literally a white bright giant. What does white bright giant mean? Oh man, I was planning a vacation there. Yeah, don't go there. Okay, what other planets are on here though? How far out do you have to be to not like literally just be dead immediately? Because this is still Torrid. I mean, that's not that far from it. So this is a Terra, which means like rocky planet. Like Earth's a Terra. What's our temperature here? Average temperature 800. Is my face blocking that? 856 degrees Celsius. That is crazy. It is almost 1,000 degrees on the surface here. This is so insanely hot because this star puts out so much energy. Okay, I wonder what the night. That's the day. How hot is the night side? Temperature 786. It does not really get any colder. That's crazy. Okay, what about the other planets here? Hot Jupiter, warm mini Neptune, temperate super Jupiter. Okay, so the first planet that's not burning up is this one all the way out here. A gas giant. How far away from the star is this one? The star is just so bright. Like, that's still insanely bright and big. Is that a gas giant moon? Dude, it is. These are pretty rare. There's a moon of this super Jupiter. You have to have a really big gas giant to have a gas giant moon. because this is, I mean, a relatively small gas giant, but it's like the moon of it. That's pretty cool. Can bad PCs run SpaceEngine? I feel like it's pretty well optimized. It's not going to look very good, but you can get it to run all right on even pretty low end stuff, I think. But obviously, if you want it to look really good, like I have all my stuff maxed and it looks amazing, dude. Like, check this out. Amazing. And this has got lots of moons too. Wait, temperate arid Subterra. Okay, wait, this is a moon that like is actually kind of Earth-like. The only problem is it's too dry. Like, there's no water, but this is like pretty Earth-like features. 81% Earth similarity index. It's really small, so it's not as big as Earth. But like, if you just look at like how like the atmosphere and stuff. Oh, it looks like it's not oxygen in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide. We need some plants here to get some oxygen, but there's no water. Oh, this planet has life. Never mind. It's tidally locked. It's not good for life. I swear I've said that like 20 times. Because SpaceEngine will tidally lock planets a lot. Like let's do it. Let's search for life. Yeah, let's go like Earth-like. Temperate marine Terra with multicellular life. And then we'll turn this up. 1. Okay. I don't know why, but I swear like more than half of the time that I find life, the planet's tidally locked. Solar day. Okay, this one's not tidally locked. This one only has marine life. Interesting. It could just be like in the early stages. Hasn't developed into life on the land yet, like how Earth life started. Because they're gonna need some plants. Atmosphere composition is nitrogen and oxygen, so you could breathe. I wonder why there's not any life on the land. If it's I don't know. Pressure. Okay, it's really high pressure. That could be part of it. I'm not really sure. What's our temperature? It has 12 moons, dude. Earth similarity index is a 90%. So this just has life in the oceans. $260 atmospheres of pressure. That's really high. Where's temperature? Local temperature, -22. So it's pretty cold too. All my homies love Homea. Let's go there. Let's go to Homea. Homea with the ring. This looks so weird. Like, I don't know. It doesn't look like this should exist. And it has like a ring on it too. It looks fake. Potato. Yeah, this doesn't look like it should exist in space, but it does. Like, this is real. This is in our solar system. Whoa. Okay. Can we see the rings from the surface? Yup. It looks like the halo. Ooh. It's crazy how from out here this looks like a little small rock, but as soon as you like get up close to it, you can see how big like these craters really are. Like, these are massive craters. Like, I'm moving at 63 meters a second. How fast does a human run? 5 meters a second? Like, it would take you forever to get across this whole thing. The diameter is still 1,900 kilometers. That's big. Do a stream where you just walk around the whole Earth in SpaceEngine. If I did that, I would do it in SpaceEngine. I'd like do like driving around the Earth in Kerbal Space Program and get like a rover and just drive around, or like drive around Mars, Duna. Why do they have like? What's the point of this? Like this little spike inside of this crater. Is that like meant to be there, or is that just like a generation error? I'm sure this is a real crater because like you can see it from all the way out here. I don't know. Interesting. Answer the question. Hey Chip, are you actually a chip wearing a human costume? No. No further questions on that topic, please. Okay, out of the solar system, let's go somewhere else in the Milky Way. Like this little star cluster. Wait, did I click on a galaxy? What's up? Click on the star cluster. Okay, this star cluster has a lot of stars. Check this out. And it's outside of the Milky Way. So you can actually see the Milky Way in the background. This looks cool. Let's see if there's anything cool. Like this planet looks really cool. We need to find a good planet to take a screenshot of for the thumbnail, you know? Like something like this. Wait. I want the sun like... Wait, what's a good angle on this one? I want the sun like... Let's screenshot that. We'll take some screenshots while we're flying around. Pick a good one at the end. Like, what is this? Dude, that is huge. The sun is huge. If Pluto looks, smells, and tastes like a planet, it's a planet. It doesn't look like a planet. So your logic is faulty. Why is this pink? That looks sick. That actually looks so cool. I like the HDR lighting on it. Screenshot. I don't know why the stream goes black every time I screenshot. If the Earth is in space, then we are in space. So the calculations show that we have galactic potatoes. Technically anything is galactic because we're all in a galaxy, right? Whoa, dude, look how many like little asteroids are around this this star here. That kind of looks cool. Are these planets here? Oh yeah, these are planets. Okay, let's see if there's a nebula in this star cluster. I wonder if that happens. I would feel like it does because this is a pretty big cluster. It almost feels like a mini galaxy. Let's go. We can turn up the brightness of nebulae. Oh, are there not? Oh, it looks like there's one. Or maybe a couple. That looks like it could be one too. Ooh. I want to see it. It's really dim. It seems like it's really dim. Okay, let's see if we could find a planet right around this thing. Like this one. I want to get like a view of it in the night sky. If that's possible. So where is it? Right there. So let's go. Whoa. Okay. that was weird. I was like, what is that? It's because I turned the nebulae brightness up, and so the Milky Way looks like that now because it's just shining the nebulae really brightly. Okay, wait. Let's see if I can get the mountain and the nebula. Can we get closer? I want to get a planet that's like right up next to it. Let's go here. Let's go in the nebula, and then if we search with no filter and just go like 10 light years and then go distance. Yeah. Okay, so this would be the closest. It's just stars. Closest planets are these ones. Peanut Nebula? That's what it looks like. Are we naming it? Whoa. Okay, wait. Did they change the camera? Look, I used to not be able to do this. Usually when I right click and drag, it would just move as much as I move my mouse. They did. So if you keep holding, it'll keep... Okay, wait. That's actually cool because then you can get... I don't know if I changed something, but look, now I can like get continuous moving shots. Wait, this kind of is sick. Wait, no, I definitely... Wait, am I in space? Wait, what did I do? Oh, I'm in spacecraft mode, dude. Okay, something was messed up. Like, okay, that's pretty sick. Screenshot. Oh, the stars are so cool. Who drew a pink peanut in the sky? It does look like it's like a pink bow tie or something. All right. But look at the Milky Way. If you turn up nebulae brightness all the way, you can see all of them. Wait, are these in the cluster? Wait, what are these ones all the way out here? Those are just ones at the edge of the galaxy. Oh, whoa, what is this really bright one? Carina Nebula? Oh, yeah. This is like the brightest one in the Milky Way. Really, really bright. Okay, I need like a realistic brightness now. This is way too bright. Camera. Okay, this is more realistic. Is this a nebula inside of a nebula? Bro, it is? Bro, it's got different nebula inside. Bro, what? That's crazy. How big is this thing, dude? The Mystic Mountain Nebula? Are there systems in here? Yeah, there must be. You can like you can literally be on a planet that is completely inside of a nebula. That's how big this thing is. Like, okay, night sky in the Carina Nebula has so much pink. Like, that's insane, dude. Okay, let's go realistic. This is like realistically, if you lived here, what you would see. So there's a lot less pink. It must be really dim, but you can still see it a little bit, and like you'd be able to see that like very clearly. You can see bits of pink, but if you had like a long exposure, yeah, you can still definitely see all of this pink that's around you. Really cool. And then like, oh, imagine if instead of we saw the moon at night, like, because that'd be similar size, you see an entire nebula and you could just look at it. Winship stargazing stream. Yeah, we need to do that. I got a really cool telescope. I need to figure out how to like stream myself stargazing and like talk to chat while we're actually looking at stuff in the sky. I think that'd be really cool. It's gonna happen soon. There's the Grand Carina Nebula. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go to Andromeda and see what the biggest nebula there is. And wait, Andromeda. So we'll do a similar thing because we know enough about Andromeda. I bet the biggest nebulae there are gonna be real, like they actually exist. Okay, it looks like a lot less crowded than the Milky Way. What one seems the brightest? Maybe like this pink one. They're all kind of pretty similar. The strawberry moon tonight, that's just the full moon of June, right? If you press Alt and then F4, you get a free cookie. You guys are so original. Okay, let's see. Do these have planets? They do. Binary planets. Hold on. One of these looks way cooler. This one looks way cooler than that ugly brown one. That looks pretty sick. Let's make the brightness realistic again. Let's go see the water on here. It's got rivers and oceans. No life though. Wait, average temperature is negative 155. How is this not ice? Is this, wait. What is the sea composition? Is not water. It's liquid carbon dioxide and a couple other things. That's weird. It's not water. What are these? Are these water also? Whoa, they're like ponds, but okay, wait, is it icebergs or what? What are these? Okay, this looks like icebergs in like I don't know how to describe it because like I don't know. This is weird how there's just water like this, and then you can see the planet it's binary with during the day like that. That's really cool. I know it's CO2, but I drink that. This does look like pretty refreshing water. Like, look how clear that is. It's clear enough that you can see like very, very far down. So it's got to be pretty clean, right? How deep is it, dude? This is pretty deep water. Oh, I guess I just teleported back. Like, that's pretty clear. I drink it too. fish update went. Yeah, guys, I'm waiting for the Space Engine fish update. All right, that's pretty sick. Oh wait, let's see the. Oh wait, there's like Northern Lights. Oh, and there's like a whole nother. There's other biomes, rocky areas. I want to see the night. See what night looks like. There's the sun. Go faster. Oh, that adjusts exposure. Is there hotkeys to adjust time speed? And there probably is. I just don't know them. Okay, we are at the North Pole, so it doesn't actually set here. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay, just looking at the view of this is really cool. Seeing the nebula we're in, plus the Andromeda Galaxy. Like, it really makes you wonder, like, if there's intelligent life out there, what their night sky looks like. And, like, what they think of ours. Because we get a pretty good view of the Milky Way if you have a good exposure camera or you're just in a really no light polluted area. Realistic. It looks like it doesn't get really dark. I think this planet is reflecting too much light. It's crazy because like streams or views like this could like there could be actual beings that see stuff like this, which is insane. What do you think the cavemen would have reacted when we first saw the moon? Well, the cavemen would have seen the moon, right? Like the moon's always been there. I mean, not always, but humanity has always seen the moon. But it's crazy how the sun and the moon are seen as like almost equal. Like the sun is for day, the moon is for night, but that is very exclusive to our planet. The moon is just a random rock that's orbiting the Earth, and then the sun is like actually what the system we're in. Like they are not equal at all. Crazy though. Caveman thought, big light sky. I mean, like all the ancient civilizations have like gods of the moon and gods of the sun. It's weird. So it makes you think like, what if life, like I like how in Avatar they have like, because in Avatar the planet they live on is actually a moon, and they have like the whole eclipse thing with the gas giant that they're orbiting. So it's like what culture would develop in different planetary situations, like based on if you had a ton of moons, like what your culture and like mythology would be based off with that. Anything cool around here? Some rings. Like if Earth had rings, I'm sure there would be like a Greek god of Earth's rings, you know? There might be life on Europa. There could be, like, anything that has water has the potential. I hope that in my lifetime, well, this looks like, why does it look like a lizard or something? Look, this is the head and then the tail and then it's got feet. That looks just like a lizard. I hope that in my lifetime, we discover whether there's life in our system besides Earth. Baby lizard. Yeah, see, it's a little lizard. Well, this looks like it has two, it looks like two separate ring systems. Like this looks like Saturn, and then there's a huge gap. Pretty cool though. What is that galaxy? Triangulum galaxy. This one's like this is like one of my favorite looking galaxies. Looks beautiful, dude. And it's right next to, what's this one? Oh, wait, is Andromeda must be a lot bigger because Andromeda looks bigger than this one did. Whoa, that is a huge nebula, dude. Look how big that is. Wow, it's 1,300 light years across. Huge nebula. That is big. Okay. It's like a deep red, almost like blood color. Is this a minty gas giant? Yeah, minty. It's like very, very slightly mint colored. What about this one? That looks all right. None of these look too great. Let's see if there's life in this nebula. Like an Earth-like planet. We haven't found any like super Earth-like planets yet. So let's do that. Imagine if you told an entire ancient civilization that we landed on the moon. Oh, like if you could go back in time to like when humans were believing in Greek gods or whatever and be like, see the moon? We went there. I know. And they'd be like, what? You can't go there. Oh wait, this actually looks a lot like Earth. Oh, it's tidally locked. That's not good for life. Let's see how it looks though. It actually does have a water ocean with, what does it have? It has like red, orangish red plants on it. Eclipse. Yeah, there is an eclipse right here. See, that's the thing. If you had smaller moons, you would get eclipses, like a lot of small moons, you get eclipses all the time. Like if you just watch Jupiter in SpaceEngine, you'll see eclipses after eclipses. Because a small moon on a big planet, yeah. But it's like going to be very, very small, the area. But this is tidally locked. Let's see what the other side looks like. I always like to look at the other side when we have a tidally locked planet, because usually it looks a lot more dead. How can we see the sun through the planet? It doesn't look too bad. Like they look pretty similar. I mean, like, is the ground the same? Yeah. This is definitely boosted lighting. It's not going to be bright at all. Ambient lighting. Be gone. Like it's going to be very dark over here. I've seen an eclipse on Jupiter before, IRL. yeah, everyone, we're gonna have an eclipse watch party. Everyone meet up at Jupiter. Let's go see that. I want to see eclipses from Jupiter. Okay, here's Jupiter, which just looks great in this game, by the way. Like, just wait for these moons, and you'll start seeing... Oh, yeah, see, there's one. There's another one. There's one. Like, anytime any of the bigger moons will pass by. Easy eclipse. Let's see what it looks like from the surface, if we can even really see it. Which moon is this? This is Io, right? Yeah, okay, so Io is causing an eclipse on Jupiter right now. Whoa. Whoa. I wish you could see some of the gas giant moons in better detail on SpaceEngine. Because we don't know a lot. Like, we don't have super high quality images. So it's not, once you get really close, the quality's not really there. But an eclipse, turn. Have you ever seen the eclipse that went over America that one time? The most recent one? I did see it. I didn't see totality though. This is in totality. I mean, it's not that hard to get totality on Jupiter because you're so far away from the sun. And these moons are massive. These moons are bigger than our moon. So that's might be what it would look like to see an eclipse on Jupiter's surface. Discovery date 1610. They discovered Io in 1610. I like how they have that on there. What's discovery date? Oh, Jupiter doesn't have a discovery date. Forever ago. Ganymede also 1610. Europa also 1610. Is that just when they made a powerful enough telescope to see Jupiter's moons? Because if you have a decent one, like I've seen Jupiter's moons through a telescope. Click, maybe. Io, what's this one? Jupiter. Oh, this is Callisto. Yeah, they were all the four main ones. The person who discovered them was called Galileo. Is that why they're the Galilean, how do you say it, moons? Because he discovered them. If Newton didn't invent gravity, the solar system wouldn't exist. Yeah, thank you Newton for creating gravity. Otherwise, this entire universe would just fall apart. It's all because of Newton. Newton, our savior. All right, let's look at the Flame Nebula. Oh, there's the Horsehead Nebula, right? Dude, that's crazy. I came at it from the right angle to like see the horse's head. All right, we're gonna finish it off on Earth. I'm going to land. Let's see what the night sky looks like. We're in the year 4252. Okay, set to real time. Okay, that is correct time. Let's see what the night sky will look like tonight, at least for people in America. A beautiful view. This is at, I don't know what time this really would be at. Milky Way view. The moon's gonna be out. This is, yeah, it's full moon tonight, right? It's crazy how Space Engine's accurate enough to actually predict. Like, they coded it so well that if you go to any time when a solar eclipse is predicted to happen, it will happen in the game. Like, they perfectly matched every real life thing. Isaac the goat for creating gravity. Yep. W devs. I know. So it's like everything they've added is so accurate. Like, if you want to see when an eclipse on Jupiter is going to happen, you can just find one in the game, and that's happening in real life at that time. So yeah, this is a really cool game. But thank you for joining me on this episode of SpaceEngine Exploration. Let me know in the comments where you want to see me go next. And thank you to Twitch chat for being here with me. If you'd like to see this live, follow me on Twitch and subscribe. This is for the YouTube video. Like the video. Enjoy your day. Dude, I'm so bad at this. All right. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.